Yeah, that's hard for me to speak to, and those are the things that we just cannot worry about because they really aren't important to our team. What the perception is, what people think happens. Um, we know exactly what happens. We know exactly what message is being portrayed. We know the relationships in the building. And, it obviously gets louder and louder as you lose games. You're 0-3. I'm sure that the external forces out there are loud and have their opinions. But I think the beauty of the pros we got in the building is know how to block that out and focus on what's important. And again, this isn't the first time we've gone through adversity in the 6 years I've been here. So we know how to get ourselves out of it, whether it's the beginning of the season, the middle of the season, the end of the season. It's really all the same. And you're just looking for that first win to start to get some momentum. And I'm excited. I truthfully, I hadn't even remembered after this week last year, we were 1-3 coming off a 27-3 loss to Tennessee, until I kind of went through the notes and reviewed where we were last year. And so we've certainly faced adversity before, and there is a better side to this thing, and I'm encouraged that we're going to get there.
Follow up on that, what are the challenges in helping someone like Joe grow as a leader and maybe making sure he doesn't try too hard to be something that he's not, but you still want to.
That's the beauty of Joe Burrow. He's not going to be somebody he's not. He's not going to force something. He's going to be genuine. He knows the right time to speak his mind and to lead in certain ways. And when you start trying to go outside the framework of who you are and what's made you what you are going to be, people see through that, and it's not as genuine. And I think everyone who's experienced the Joe Burrow experience has seen that he is 100% authentic, genuine. He's not going to do something because he thinks someone wants him to do it that way. He's going to do it because he knows it's the right thing to do. And we got a lot of guys like Joe that kind of lead in that same mold. And that's what gives me the confidence to be encouraged to sit here today and excited for the rest of the season.